In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a quote in Ownerrez. If you need to remove a quote that's no longer needed, the process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your Ownerrez account without any confusion. To get started, go to Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main dashboard or inside your account interface. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll usually find the main navigation menu, which gives you access to different sections of the platform. From that left side menu, click on Quotes. This will open the Quotes area where you can view all of the quotes that have been created in your account. Take a moment here to find the specific quote you want to delete. It's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have several similar entries. Once you've found the quote you want to remove, click on it to open it. This will bring you into the quote details page. After the quote is open, move your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. On that side, look for an X icon. This X is the option used to begin deleting the quote. When you see the X, click on it. After you do that, Ownerrez will show you a confirmation screen or message asking if you're sure you want to delete the quote. You'll also see a warning that this action cannot be undone. That's important because once the quote is permanently deleted, you won't be able to recover it through this same process. If you're absolutely sure that this is the quote you want to remove, go ahead and click Yes, permanently delete this quote. That final confirmation completes the deletion. And that's it. The quote will be removed from Ownerrez. As a quick reminder, always review the quote before confirming deletion, since permanent actions like this are best done carefully. Taking a few extra seconds to verify the details can help prevent mistakes. Now you know exactly how to delete a quote in Ownerrez. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.